We're so pleased to have you all here for this, what will be, I think, a wonderful discussion. The question we ask is, how do we make the lives of every Texan and every American better every day? That aspiration, that goal of having a positive impact on the world through our research, through our teaching, through our service, so on and so forth, really is what is reflected here today.
There's basically no limit to what AI can do in terms of reaching decisions, explaining its decisions. So I'm far less confident now than I was a few years ago about AI increasingly replacing human adjudicators.
We could well live in a world where generative AI takes over nearly the functions of, say, anybody in this room or any judge or adjudicator. But I think that would be a simulation of a justice system and not a real one, and that would be problematic. The more you see that investment in the computer as something that's not just your tool, but like a partner or on your level, the more plausible will be the complete replacement, say, of judges by generative AI. But what I've been trying to do in my work is I've been trying to articulate a vision of responsible innovation. And that, I think, comes from the informed, transparent, ethical, and responsible use. The myth of AI as a total replacement for labor is very tempting because, everybody wants something for nothing, right? But the more you look behind it, the more problems you see and the more illegitimate it appears, I think. There are lots of really complex realities ahead. So I think the task ahead for the legal profession is to stop the uncontrolled automation scenario and moving to ensure that generative AI is at best an adjunct, but not a replacement for the adjudicative process.
Artificial intelligence is not human intelligence, it's something else really altogether. And this has critical implications for how we're thinking and should be thinking about AI's decision making and how and whether it can make decisions about human laws, violations of human laws, and appropriate penalties for such violations, and how it would be treated if it itself were the violator. We may enter a time when, with judicial decision-making, AI provides assistance. And the assistance may be on a spectrum. I personally view and know from my clients that AI is today transforming and saving lives. If you're wondering whether or not AI is transformative, I tell you firsthand, it is. When our creation exceeds us, where we're going to put responsibility for what AI can do and for what it does is going to be very, very complicated.
A lot of people are saying, sure, there may be a first-order effect of reduced employment, but again, it could allow plaintiffs' lawyers to file many more suits, which is great for the defense bar. I was talking to one private equity person who said, oh, we're going to be able to quadruple the volume of our transactions with AI. So the issue is not, are the AI bots going to take our jobs? It's humans who know and understand AI are going to take over the jobs of humans who don't.
Thank you to the panel. Thank you so much for being here. We're adjourned for today. Thank you so much.